Hi, Jim here from JE Real Driveline, and today I'd like to give you a little news, and this isn't necessarily good news. Many of you have watched our videos with Ray in them.
I'm Ray, and we're here at JE Real, and we've taken on a special project.
Many of you have called him Professor Driveline. You guys have made a lot of comments about him and his entertainment, his knowledge in the driveline world, the things he showed you. Well, let me give you a little history about Ray. In 1976, right out of high school, he went in the Navy. He served our country. After that, Ray went to work for a driveline shop, power unit in El Monte. And then he went to work for Bayshore's Truck Equipment. And then he went to work for Unitrax. All of these were shops that did gear work or drivelines. And then Ray opened OC Driveline in 2008, his own company. And then after 2018, Ray came to work for us. He's been part of the JE Real family since then. Ray has some circulation issues, and unfortunately, he's had to have his leg amputated above the knee. We hope Ray will be coming back. We don't know. But daughter set up a GoFundMe page, so any of you that have enjoyed him, his knowledge, and enjoyed our videos, go see Ray's GoFundMe page and he could sure use your help. Thank you very much. Have a good day.